Xiaomi has been partnering with Spotify, offering owners of mobile devices free months of the Swedish audio streaming service since September 2024. The company now confirmed that Xiaomi 15 owners can also benefit from a similar promotion. Anyone who purchases a Xiaomi 15 or Xiaomi 15 Ultra can claim 4 months of Spotify Premium for free. The promotion actually applies to a wide range of Xiaomi devices. Devices eligible for 4 months include the Xiaomi Mix Flip, Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro, Xiaomi 14 and 14 Ultra, Xiaomi 13T and 13T Pro. Devices eligible for 3 months are the Redmi Note 12 series, Redmi Note 13 series, Redmi Note 14 series, Xiaomi Buds 5 and Buds 5 Pro, Xiaomi Watch 2 and Watch 2 Pro, and OpenWare Stereo. Devices eligible for 2 months are the Redmi 13C and 13C 5G, Redmi 13, Redmi A3 and A3X, along with Redmi Buds 6 Lite, Buds 6 Active, and Buds 6 Play. The promo applies in the following markets: France, Germany, Hong Kong, Indonesia, Japan, Malaysia, Mexico, Poland, Spain, Taiwan, Thailand, Turkey, the United Kingdom, Brazil, Nigeria, Kazakhstan, Egypt, Colombia, Philippines, Peru, Hungary, Austria, Argentina, Greece, Chile, Singapore, Czechia, United Arab Emirates, Vietnam, South Korea, and Serbia. However, it only applies to earbuds and smartwatches in these countries: Croatia, Lithuania, Moldova, Paraguay, and Panama.